cool.
TikTok mix up and bagga lady. Queen of begging.
Anything them man they have your back. But me an Italian, me never have a problem with him man, you know. Cause good you, but me just never really trust him in the skit thing where we are do. But you can see say Italian have a part to do it same way. Cause I mean, every skit to him a day, you notice him just add normal people when know about the skit in him box. Or normal people, him talk to normal people. Him not gonna add nobody out of the group where we know not talk to. Cause I'm just Italian still. Italian have him back. No matter what.
All right. So, guys, wanna start follow back Devrel and support Devrel because Devrel was telling you guys from morning that Jane was pranking you guys. So Devrel, you're back on the chart and back on the map. So you need to click your live and go on with yourself. All who know want follow him, go name shit. The rest them follow him and support him now. He's a man, him just having baby, real baby what we see. So I'm gonna support him. So Devrel, we just wanted to know how it all started. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Devrel.
Yeah, man.
All right.
All right. Big up yourself.
Okay. So now, listen. Everybody, wanna see the payment method right up there, so? Wanna please to put what I want in the payment method. And
ladies,